Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel, Srileka Akash. I am a PG graduate in geology. I am a homemaker. In this channel, you can expect contents from me which will be related to the places I explore, the skincare products that I try on my skin, and then finally, here comes my handmade jewelry. Now we are in Scotland, Glasgow. We are going to Glasgow Cathedral. It's a church. So before that, if you are very new to my channel, please welcome. If you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel. So let's go and explore this place now. Glasgow Cathedral is a parish church of the Church of Scotland in Glasgow, Scotland. It was the cathedral church of the archbishop of Glasgow and the province of Glasgow from the 12th century until the Scottish reformation in the 16th century. It is the oldest cathedral in the mainland Scotland and the oldest building in the Glasgow. The length is 285 feet 87 meters, the width is 65 feet 20 meters, the height is 105 feet 32 meters, the spire height is 225 feet 68 meters. Glasgow Cathedral has been Crown property since 1587. The entire cathedral building passed into the care of the state in 1857, and today it is the responsibility of the Historic Environment Scotland.